Yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Ooh, that's good. Ooh. 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 Wait a minute. Oh, man. The level of excitement that I have is unlike anything I've ever felt in my life. Anyone who knows me. They know there's only one human being that I love, and that's Rihanna. And whatever Rihanna does, I'm going to support. So I would like to say, being a hairstylist, being a cosmetologist for a long time, being a lover of natural hair, y'all, I'm just overwhelmed with excitement. I'm excited to say I got Fenty hair. Let me slow down. I got Fenty hair, y'all. And not only do I have it with me right now. I have not opened it, so I'm about to unbox it for y'all. So y'all can enjoy the excitement with me on how these products smell, how they feel, and then I'm gonna do a tutorial on how I use them on my natural 4C kinky textured hair. So if y'all are as excited as I am, y'all can see I'm probably sweating right now. I'm so excited. Please excuse me. It's going down. Y'all ready? Okay. I'm opening the box. So here's the box, the Fenty box. Opening it up. Ooh, look at Fenty. Y'all see that? It's big. The Fenty is big, y'all. And then we're gonna bust it wide open, okay? Y'all ready? I'm gonna lower the camera so y'all can see what's going on. So, all right, here goes the Fenty box. So right here, y'all gonna go over it with me. This is a great receipt. So the receipt tells me that it's actually free returns. So what I got today is I got the kit. I got the bundle, the Intense Moisture bundle. I got the Jelly Styling Gel. And I also got the Babysitter Edge Control Paste and the Rich Moisture Repair Conditioner. Okay, so the box, here it goes. All right, so what do I open first? I don't even know. Let's go with the bundle first, okay? So the bundle comes in this plastic bag, which I like. It says avoid danger, suffocation. Basically, don't put your head in this plastic bag. All right, so we open it up. First, I got the Fenty hair. Y'all see that? The richer one, Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. So that's the first product we're bringing out the box. And then we got the protective serum. The protective type. You know how we do. 5-in-1. It's a protective styler. Keep protective styler. And also in the bundle, sorry, I want y'all to see the products, but y'all probably want to see me too. I don't know what y'all care more about, seeing me unboxing the products. The next one is, y'all gonna get this raw video because my excitement is on another level. I ain't never been this excited, not even on Christmas. The Rich One, Moisture Repair Shampoo. There we go, the Rich One. Woo, that was a struggle. The Rich One, Moisture Repair Shampoo. Okay. And then we also have the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. Now my hair is colored, as y'all can see, so this would be a good thing for me, the Comeback Kid, because your girl goes through a lot with her hair, so she needs something to bring it back, okay? All right. And then as we continue to go, we have our something I'm real excited about, which is the jelly type. It's their Stronghold Gel. I'm gonna open this one very quickly because this is probably gonna be my main styler today when I do my styling. If it'll focus, there we go. The jelly type Stronghold Gel. It's gonna be my main styler today. And then the controlling type, because you know, we all know the controlling type. This seems to be a edge control. Y'all see that? Controlling type. Hair thickening edge control gel. There we go. All right. Oh, we got another product, y'all. I think I got everything in this package but the cream and the brush. I did order those as well, but I figured I didn't need to expedite those because I wasn't going to use it for, what do you say, my style, because I'm not really a cream girl, but I'm going to use it. But my first style, I knew I was going to use the gel. And y'all going to judge me, but I ordered all of these products twice. The first order, I realized I didn't expedite, so the second one, I'm like, we got to get this thing right away. So we expedited it. And this is the Moisture Repair Conditioner. Y'all see that? Moisture Repair Conditioner, okay? I love the names of these products, first and foremost. The Moisture Repair Shampoo is also called the Rich One. These together are both called the Rich One. I feel like they're the same size. Yeah, they're the same size. Okay, so let's talk about these products specifically. So, I'm gonna start with the jelly just because I'm excited about the jelly. Look at it. Look. Y'all see that? I don't know if that's the top. Yeah, it's the top. Plastic top. So I am going to take this off. And then take off the plastic top. Ooh, can I figure it out though? Ooh, look at it. Y'all see that? I don't want my face to be the focus. Y'all see that? Ooh, ooh. That got some loose but thick consistency. So I'm excited to see what this does for my tight coils, okay? And I would have broken a nail. The nails should look like this. Let me switch. Ooh, y'all see that? Focus. Oh, I'm about to pour this gel out. All right. I can't make this thing cute. I'm trying, y'all. It smells, it smells like, I can't describe it. It smells, it's definitely giving a fixation. I love how it says gel fixation, but I know that's just another language, but it smells floral and light. I love the illustrations they have on the back. If you look here, there's some illustrations on the back. It's so cute. Has a QR code as well. So I think that'll probably give you a tutorial on it if you scan it. I'll show y'all what it looks like when I scan the QR code. Cinematic mode on my phone won't let me be great. So that's the gel. If you want, I can just put some on my hair right now. But you know, I'm gonna do it fresh. Ooh. Ooh. Wait a minute. Oh, man. It's the first touch for me. It feels so slippery. Oh my God, y'all. Yo, it was love at first touch with this. It was love at first coil with this. Oh my God. Oh my God. My hair is dry, but the way this just felt like lubrication for my hair, and oh my God. Oh my gosh. It feels so lubricating. Wow. I'm gonna do my hair fresh because I already have product on my hair. So we're gonna get back to that. I can't get lost. All right, this is the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. So if y'all want to see, all of them, it seems to have like this ring on it to kind of protect the product. We'll take this off though. Let's see. Focus. My nails almost match it. Let me take off my broken nail. Y'all see that? Ooh. Moisture Repair Conditioner. That's what that looks like. It's very light. I love that the smells are light, but still floral. I can't even describe this scent. I'm not really a scent girl. I'm normally a sweet girl if I do go to scents, but I like it. The richer one, Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. It feels thick. Feels real thick. I'm gonna let y'all know when I put it in how it feels on my hair, but it feels thick. Can y'all tell? Like, I cannot. Wait till I do my hair. I ain't gonna know how to act. But look, it also has a lid where you can open it like this. I'm just opening it up wide to get this plastic part off, y'all know. All right. And let's go next into the 5-in-1 heat protectant styler. So it says 5-in-1. So let's talk about why it's 5-in-1. And this one also still has the illustrations on the back of how to use it. So if you can see, it has these illustrations on the back on how to use it. Y'all see that? Oh my God, I'm gonna get a better shot for y'all. So these illustrations on the back says it can go up to 450 degrees in heat protection. So that's great. Let's see. It's for every style. It smooths, it detangles, and it defrizzes. And it also has a QR code on that too. Let's check out the consistency of this. Let me see if I can put it on my hand. Oh, it came out. Y'all see that? Get my hand up out this camera. Y'all see that? I want my face to not be the focus. Oh my God, iPhone, can you not focus on my face? There we go. That's the consistency of it. It's light. Y'all see that? It's light. But it also feels kind of thick too. So I like the complexity of it. It has a lot of slit. Ooh, this make me want to blow dry my hair. I should have brought my comb attachment. I'm gonna do 2 tutorials. One tutorial is gonna be on my hair curly, and another one's gonna be on my hair blow dried. I'm gonna do a tutorial on everything I can do with these products. Let's leave that, okay? And then next we have the Rich One, the moisture repair shampoo. Now this only makes sense that I show y'all this once I put it on my hair. And just so you know, like, I feel like this heat styler, they're pretty similar scents. I will say they don't smell that different to me, but I love the smell nonetheless. This moisture repair shampoo, the Rich One, ooh, that thing just popped out. Ooh, did y'all see that? I wasn't ready. So it's one of those things that just pop out when you turn it. It's a strong can. Y'all hear that? I don't know if you drop this, it will break easily, but it's like a aluminum material. I kind of like it. Let me focus. But this shampoo, let's see how it pumps out. Oh! Y'all, I'm making a mess. It's a lucid one. It's not like a really thick shampoo. It smells so good though. Yeah, it's going down. I'm gonna just put all this on my skin. I'm sure it's good for me. And then the conditioner is in the same kind of bottle. Shampoo. I don't know if I just got all the products on my hands so they all kind of smell the same to me right now, but at the end of the day, I just used it. Felt a lot looser than some shampoos, but not too loose. I think it just felt pure. This moisture repair conditioner, same thing, pops right open. And I'm gonna show y'all the consistency of this conditioner. Let's see. I'm trying to make sure y'all. Y'all see that? That is the consistency of the conditioner. Pretty good. I should have been doing this the whole time, but the things that drip, this doesn't really work so well. But yeah, conditioner, nice consistency. Still smells so light. Everything smells so light. And last, I guess I got two more, y'all, to show y'all of these unboxings before we get to show y'all the tutorial, you know? And this is the controlling type thickening edge gel. Now, y'all see my edges. I don't have those kind of edges that just be looking sleek. I'm very kinky. I don't pretend to act like I'm somebody I'm not. But every now and again, I will try to sleek them out. My edges are not very thick, they're finer, but let's see what it does for me, okay? So this is a thickening edge control gel. So let's see. Similar packaging. I'm gonna take this off and take this off. Y'all see that consistency is very thick. Let's see what happens when I take some out. Y'all see that? Pretty thick. All right, I'm about to put on my edges. My edge brush was with the other package. I don't give it. I'm gonna work it with my finger, y'all. But so far, the consistency feels really nice. Y'all can already see how that's starting to hold me down. It has a very strong hold. I'll tell you that. Y'all can see how my edges just kind of just said, we're gonna submit. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Y'all see how them edges just looked and how they look right now? Oh yeah, that's good. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, that's good. Oh, wait a minute. Let me just do a little bit more right here. Just cause I want to see it. Do it again. Look at that. Look at that. Won't you look at that? Oh yeah. That thing said, I'm about to stay for you. Won't you? If I could sing, I would sing Rihanna's Stay. I would drop the song, but I don't want to get copyright issues. So y'all know the song. If y'all Rihanna fans, she definitely named this after. Ooh, it's Stay. It's strong. Oh yeah, this is a firm gel. Let me tell you, I'm impressed with the whole. Wow. Okay, we're doing this. I'm about to style my hair, y'all. I'm ready to style my hair. All that to say, so far so very good with these products. Like this right here, I haven't done much, but I can tell you the way that gel touched me when I did the coil and the way this edge control just laid me down. I'm gonna have to let y'all go because I gotta do my hair. But let me just say, it's been oh yeah, I almost forgot one more product. I was about to leave y'all high and dry because I'm ready to do my hair. But wait a second. The last one I didn't show y'all is the Instant Repair Damage Comeback Kit. So let me show y'all that before I run and skedaddle to do my hair. The comeback kit. Same thing. It has a lot of illustrations on the back. It tells you how long to use it. I love the pictures. That's very inclusive because, you know, some people are visual creatures and this covers the visual creatures. So, you know, they don't have to read as much. They can just look at the photos. It tells you what not to do. It tells you all that. It says repairs, breakage, reduces breakage, smoother, shinier. And yeah, I'm excited to go to the QR code and see what it says. Just because I feel like it has more intense directions. I'm pretty sure it has a tutorial, but this was my unboxing, y'all. The products is producting. I'm so excited. Like when I tell y'all the hype that I have, the way that I ran home to record this video, I'm about to go do my hair. I'm so excited. Like, my hair look crazy. I'm about to do my hair. So yeah, y'all. I really appreciate y'all watching. I am going to catch y'all later after my hair is done. I really appreciate y'all watching this unboxing. I will catch y'all later after my hair is done. Again, this is Haley from Lovely's Hair. My hair look crazy, but best believe when I'm done, I'm gonna have something to show y'all. So just wait on it. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.